This is top fuel dirt bike drag racing in the United States. This is nitromethane fueled drag racing down a dirt strip. Who comes up with this? Americans. This doesn't look safe at all. But then again, nothing that's safe is fun. You almost lost it. These crazy bikes are mostly built in home garages and are all different. Look how long it is. They can be anywhere between 500 to 1,000 horsepower. That is a lot of power sitting between your legs. Let's see how this guy goes. Some can reportedly reach speeds of around 250 kilometers an hour during these runs. Insane. Look at the rooster tail on that thing. The nitromethane fuel most of these bikes run on is insane. After each of these runs, the engine has to be completely drained and then refilled. Otherwise, the next time it is started, it might explode. The prize money in these races is often pretty low. These guys are doing it for thrills and glory. Me, I would need them dollar bills. I've driven dirt bikes, but these things are on another level. These guys say that you don't control these things. You just hop on, hold on, and hope for the best. What compels someone to hop on a nitro-fueled dirt rocket? I grew up on a farm. We could have used one of these to plough our fields. Where do you even find the parts for these things? Are these guys legends or lunatics?